Welcome to the channel. I'm Mike. That's the Scout. And today on the Scout, we are not doing anything. We're actually working on the JK today. It snapped a bolt. Let me pull it out and show you. On the tensioner pulley. And so I gotta fix that. It snapped this bolt clean off. It kind of looks like it's been broke for a while. It's got some shiny parts on it, but this is the tensioner, and you can see the bushing is completely gone as well. It's all jacked up. So today, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try and extract that broken bolt. I don't know how bad it's gonna be. Broken bolts are kind of you know, they can go easy, they can go hard sometimes. So we're gonna try and fix that. And then I have another tensioner pulley coming. It was supposed to be here today. It's gonna be here tomorrow. So we'll start on the bolt tonight. If we get it out, great. We'll just let it sit until tomorrow. And if we don't, no big deal. We gotta wait till tomorrow anyways. So let's get started. We're gonna remove the aftermarket air cleaner and tube and stuff that I got. So we gotta take all this out and give us a little bit of space. I did get a drink, Swig. You guys should try their dirty sodas. All right, we got the intake, I don't know what you call this, the air tube, whatever, taken care of. So, let's see if you can see down in here. Get you in a good spot. Right here, can you see? So right here. So right here is where the broken bolt goes. Here's the bolt, and this goes in there. We might be in luck. It might not be too bad. I don't know. Probably just jinxed myself. All right, can you see it? It almost broke off flush, so we're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do here. Found a nut that should fit over the top of that. So we're gonna try and weld a nut to the broken bolt and see if we can get it out. I mean, you know, what's the worst that could go wrong? So, anyways, we'll see. It's not the best weld, but we're there. So, let's see if we can. Oh my gosh, I think we got it. Ah, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. Don't touch hot bolts, fellas and ladies, people. That's hot. That's hot. Okay. So we got it. We got it. Let me show you. It's still hot, but you can see, so I welded that. There we go. So I welded that, and as I was turning it, it kind of started to come all kind of skiwampus. But that's all I could see. I could only see the one side of the bolt and the nut when I was welding. But, I mean, we got it. So here's the other half of it. That's what she should look like, but it's broke. So, that, what time is it? It's only 7:30. That only took 25 minutes to get to where I'm at with the bolt. So I guess we're gonna have to wait for the parts tomorrow, and we'll put them back in. All right, another day. We got the parts we need right here, and we got some bolts. Let's get this cleaned up, and we'll start putting it back together. All right, so here's the new part that we got. Here's the new part that we got. Looks like it's going to be much better than this one. I think the shock on this one's messed up. Obviously the bushing's gone in this one, but looks like it should be much better. All right, we got the belt on, we got this. I had to move the camera out of the way so I could get the wrench in, or the wrench in there, and put some pressure on this. So we're gonna torque this down. This one, this top bolt is 24 foot-pounds, I believe, or pound-feet, and this one is 17 or something like that. That's the end of the video. We got we got the old bolt out. We got the new tensioner. That's what this is called. We got the new tensioner put in, and it works. So that's it. I didn't even have to Google anything. We were able to just fix it. So thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching. We will get back to some Scout content soon.